Now, this is how you can reverse charge the iPhone to another iPhone. So, as you know, if your phone is running low on battery, you can of course connect it to the power, the power brick or even a power bank, but you can also connect it to another iPhone. And a lot of people are not familiar with it, but if you have, for example, an iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro, the cable and port situation is that both have the USB-C, so it's going to be easy to connect it. You can simply plug the cable into both iPhones and they are going to become connected. And one of the devices is going to start charging, but it always works in the way that the phone, which has higher battery percentage, is going to charge the one with the lower battery percentage. So even if you have a phone with 95% battery, if there is a phone, that you connect to that has like whatever 100, right? It's gonna charge the one with the smaller battery. So in this sense, you don't get to pick which iPhone is going to charge the other, right? You just have to kind of rely on the battery percentage situation. And of course, the one with the fuller battery is going to transfer the power to the one with the lower battery percentage. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, it also works for the different models. So if you have an iPhone with a lightning port, you would just use a different cable and it would just work exactly the same way. So this is the only way. Outside of that, the reverse, like wireless charging, does not work here. It's not part of the iPhone. So this is the only thing you can do. Now, let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the future tutorials like this one.